Welcome to our short demonstration on PractiCAD. PractiCAD is a state-of-the-art computer-aided drafting and design system. It seamlessly integrates with our manufacturing system PractiCAM, making it the most efficient integrated solution on the market today. PractiCAD works directly on top of Autodesk products, importing and exporting data in their native DXF DWG format. This allows drafters to create 2D shop drawings or 3D CAD drawings which can be sent to other mechanical contractors for coordination. PractiCAD allows you to take advantage of AutoCAD's ability to design in 2 or 3 dimensions simultaneously with great ease. However, with our unique PractiCAD tools at your disposal, you will be able to detail up to 70% faster than working with straight AutoCAD. There are many advantages that a detailer gets when they start to utilize PractiCAD, but 3 we will focus on here are the ease of use, speed of detail through automation, and the ability to integrate all levels of the production process. Just like PractiCAM, PractiCAD comes with a completely customizable interface where we can create bins to hold all of our items such as rectangular, round, or oval duct. We also have a full set of architectural items which can be created by the user and put into catalogs for easy access later. Some of these items include concrete slabs, columns, beams, ceiling grids, diffusers, walls, duct, and flex. All items can be drawn up in 2D or 3D and exported out to other Autodesk products for coordination. All ductwork is exported out directly for instant fabrication. On top of the items we have already mentioned, PractiCAD comes with a complete set of accessories which can be imported from PractiCAM or exported for manufacturing. Some examples are radius vanes, turning vanes, a variety of dampers such as single volume, parallel blades, opposed blades, smoke dampers, fire dampers, counterbalance, motorized, a variety of dampers for round pipe, and you can even get tie rods. All come in a what you see, what you get format, and when exported will have all of the manufacturing done by PractiCAM, such as the mithering of splitter vanes or damper shaft inserts. This is yet another step in true automation. First, let's start with the basics. Placing objects with PractiCAD is simple to do. All you need to do is select the object you want to place down, change the parameters, and select your elevations. PractiCAD will automatically track your elevation points and reference points as you move duct throughout the system. PractiCAD will also adjust certain things based on fabrication standards. For example, if we pick up a piece of rectangular duct, you will notice that slip and drive connectors yields a 59-inch length. However, if I switch the connectors to TDC, you will see PractiCAD automatically adjust the length of duct based on our own standards. Another thing PractiCAD will do is adjust duct properties based on an unlimited number of specification tables. You will see as we pick up a specification table here that PractiCAD will ask us to do one of 3 choices. We can apply spec table to new fittings, entire drawing, or current selection. This means that at any point in time, before or after I lay down a duct system, I can change the parameters and make them adhere by a specific specification table. Notice here as I change the width on this duct line that you will see that the locks, gauges, and materials are all adjusting automatically for us. Not only do we see the values changing, but what you get graphics will also allow us to see spec tables at work. Here as we orbit, you can see that TDC connectors have been applied to our duct system. One of the key elements that contributes to PractiCAD's simplicity is our automatic duct line editing. We understand that plans will continue to change as you coordinate with others, making it very important to be able to adjust your drawings on the fly without having to erase and redraw. Notice how PractiCAD automatically edits things here as we adjust pieces and full duct lines up and down the system. To edit just one piece of duct, all we have to do is click on the duct at any time and all of the parameters will appear right over here on the left. Here we can change the size of the duct over and over, and you will notice that our duct line automatically changes for you, keeping the duct run's integrity intact. You will notice that even the tags are maintaining their current positions and elevations as we move throughout the system. We don't have to adjust just one piece of duct at a time either. Using a specialized automatic, I will select for you 4 pieces of duct and simultaneously edit them all at once. Notice here as they are highlighted that I'll adjust the width and depth of only 4 pieces. However, notice the changes here. As you look closer, you will see that not only are the 4 pieces changed, but PractiCAD has automatically added a transition before the change and turned the elbow into a drop cheek elbow to compensate for the adjustments. Even the tags have once again changed to their proper values, size tags and elevation tags. These are just some of the options within the system. You can create numerous different scenarios if you like. Here's an example where we will decide to add liner after we have already completed the run. Notice that PractiCAD will auto-adjust to compensate for the addition of the liner as well. As you might have guessed already, PractiCAD comes with a very intelligent custom tagging mechanisms. Users can design any type of custom tag that they would like and drop it in their bins for easy access. Here we are laying down some of the different types of tags we offer. We can do size tags, elevation tags, general tags, property tags, or the ability to design any true custom tag we want. For example, here we have a transition tag that knows whether the top is up or down for this transition, and it marks it accordingly. The most important fact is that our smart tags know the properties to which you apply them to. You will notice here as I continue to change sizes, elevations, or properties over and over again that I do not have to retag the drawing. Everything automatically adjusts. As I change elevations here, notice the absolute elevation tag up top and the elevation tag on the right completely adapt to the new adjustment. PractiCAD also comes with a state-of-the-art collision checking mechanism. You will notice as we run duct into this beam that PractiCAD automatically flags it with a collision mark. If you click on that mark, the system will tell you how far you need to move one of the two objects in order to clear. This makes things easy for working in plan view. However, at any point in time you can highlight a specific area or select objects and click on our partial view feature. This will separate the area you are looking at and put it into an orbit view for you so that you can easily see everything in 3D, just as you see here. You will also get a breakdown of the parameters for all the objects you highlighted. This also makes spotting collisions easy. All you have to do to avoid this trouble is to move the duct line down by the amount PractiCAD has specified. Since duct line editing makes things simple, we will just adjust the transition and immediately we will see that the collision mark will disappear, letting us know it is okay to go on and continue working. Not only does smart custom tagging, geometric editing, and advanced collision checking make PractiCAD easy to use, but we have introduced a new CAD concept called automatics. An automatic is essentially a one-touch click, user-defined, that will do any number of tasks inside PractiCAD. We have them available for all of the following, including detailing, routing, numbering, tagging. The concept speeds up the drafting process by 50% or more. Let's take a look at some of the examples of these automatics at work. First, we will show 3 detailing automatics. Imagine I'd like to detail a duct line on a given elevation with a given slope with slip and drive connectors, square elbows with turning vanes on turns, finish line pieces of duct, and square elbows on tees. I can tell PractiCAD to do all of that in just one click, as you see here. Now we will detail the second line with radius elbows and radius turns and radius tees. Third, we will detail in finish length pieces of round pipe, a reducer, and a Y. All of this can be accomplished with one click, and as you can see here, automatics for detailing make things quick and easy. Just like we do for full duct lines, we can detail or route duct in between breaks in duct lines. This makes it easy to fill duct between 2 points, even if they are on different planes. You can see here as we put our drawing on the side view, and then as we orbit it, that we have duct with different sizes that are at different heights. Watch as we use our routing feature to route in between these 3 duct lines. The fittings that we are using are selected by the user. For example, we are going to connect this piece of duct in blue to the other duct line. You will notice that it decides to use rectangular duct followed by a square elbow with turning vanes in it. That was user defined. He specified it during the automatic. As always, once a duct is routed properly, we can immediately start editing the duct line on the fly if we'd like. When you combine all of these tools, you have a very powerful detailing program that will greatly reduce the time it takes to finish the job. Just like routing and detailing, I can also create one-touch automatics to place piece numbering or tags down. By designing custom tags and telling PractiCAD to place them at given locations, I can essentially speed my detailing process up tremendously. I might want to have a width by depth tag that goes on in between 2 points, possibly a width by depth tag that just goes on straight duct but skips elbows, maybe piece numbering in the top left corner of each duct, custom transition tags, maybe custom elevation tags before and after changes in elevation, or size tags before and after change in direction. The possibilities are limitless. The bottom line is that detailers have styles that they use over and over again. PractiCAD allows the user to design one-touch clicks that lay out these styles for them. This not only keeps the drafters fast, but allows them to detail with the same styles across the board, making them consistent from drawing to drawing. This really cuts back on the confusion and keeps your shop drawings neat and professional. How can we make things even quicker? Ultimatics. An ultimatic is a one-touch click that combines any number of automatics. Here you can see as I create an ultimatic by listing the automatics I want to use simultaneously with one button. With this feature, I can detail, piece number, tag, attach flex, or anything else, and do it all with the touch of just one button. Watch here what happens on just one click. I will zoom in and go about the duct. You can see that all of our tags have been placed down simultaneously exactly where we want, all with the touch of just one button. The best part is, as always, you can continue to adjust everything on the fly. You never have to worry about redrawing anything. Just click on what you want to adjust and PractiCAD will adjust it automatically for you. Here we will run another Ultimatic. Just imagine the speed of detailing when you can do so much with just one click. Automatics and Ultimatics are currently concepts and designs that are exclusively with MetaLab. No other systems on the market can detail or tag a drawing more effectively or efficiently. Exporting the duct line is one of the most important parts of integration. Instead of having to input each and every fitting into your Plasma software, just download everything directly to PractiCAD. PractiCAD is the most advanced manufacturing system on the market today, and everything downloads directly from PractiCAD to PractiCAD and vice versa. Once we have completed our line, we simply press the export button labeled Takeoff, and everything will be sent directly to PractiCAD. You will get a list of all of the fittings that are being sent over, and when you go to PractiCAD, you will see them under the file you just saved them. Here is a list of all of our fittings. Now all you need to do is highlight all the fittings you'd like to put into a takeoff, copy them, and paste them directly inside. At this point, PractiCAD will do all the rest of the work. PractiCAD will do all of your design, it will do all of your nesting, it will do all of your labeling as you see here, and it can also print out any type of custom report that you would like. Last but not least, it will do all the fabricating for you. And fittings can be exported to a coil line as well. You will see that you can also modify the fittings right here if you'd like. Take a notice that the drop cheek radius elbow with splitter vanes in it has all the manufacturing done for you. The vanes are mitered, the holes are burned for tack welding, and here we're going to put in a custom modification. The same goes for the dampers in the rectangular duct. You'll notice that the dampers have been downloaded, the damper shaft inserts have been burned out for fabrication. This goes for all accessories that you download from PractiCAD to PractiCAD. Once things have been downloaded, last but not least, you can get a complete cost estimate on each individual piece of duct, or you can get it on the entire job. This way you can see how close your bid was to the actual job. As you can see, PractiCAD and PractiCAD are fully automated, fully integrated manufacturing programs. The difference they will make in your production process will be substantial. If you have any questions about any of our products, please feel free to call us as we are always at your service.